This scenario presents a fascinating twist on the concept of extraterrestrial probes and how their discovery might be perceived by an inhabited planet. If intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations were sending probes into deep space in search of other inhabited planets, but these probes were received in reverse order of their technological advancement, the receiving civilization might experience significant confusion or misconceptions about the sender's technological capabilities and intentions. Imagine a civilization on planet A receiving these probes. The first probe they discover is the most advanced version, while subsequent probes are older, less capable models. This reverse-order discovery could have profound implications for how they interpret the extraterrestrial civilization's motives, technology, and knowledge. Here's a breakdown of the scenario's implications. Initial encounter with advanced technology. The first probe they detect is the most sophisticated and capable version, possibly exhibiting cutting-edge technology that far exceeds what the receiving civilization can comprehend. It could have advanced AI, superior communication systems, and perhaps even self-replicating capabilities or materials they cannot reverse engineer. Perception of superiority. The civilization on planet A might assume they're dealing with an extremely advanced species capable of complex interstellar exploration. This initial encounter would likely trigger widespread fascination, concern, or fear about the sender's capabilities. Subsequent encounters with older technology. As more probes arrive, planet A notices a gradual decline in the sophistication of the probes. Instead of more advanced technology, the new arrivals are less complex, using older systems and perhaps even primitive communication protocols compared to the first probe. Technological regression. This reverse order could lead them to mistakenly believe that the sending civilization is somehow regressing technologically, or that the advanced probe was a fluke. They might wonder if the sender civilization has faced a catastrophic collapse, or that the advanced probe was sent long ago and the civilization now has less technological capability. Initial probe assumptions. With the first most advanced probe, planet A might believe the sender civilization is highly intelligent, benevolent, or even omnipotent. The probe's advanced capabilities might allow it to communicate in ways that planet A could never have anticipated, such as using quantum communication, self-assembly, or advanced AI interaction. Potential for fear or awe. This encounter could create a sense of awe or fear, as they may assume that an imminent encounter or a larger invasion from an advanced civilization is on its way. They might prepare for potential defense or diplomacy with what they perceive to be a highly superior civilization. Later, probes raise questions. As older, less advanced probes arrive, planet A might reconsider their initial interpretation. They may wonder if the sender civilization has lost interest in them, or if the probes are failing over time. They may question the intentions of the sending civilization. Was the initial advanced probe sent with good intentions, while later ones are simply relics of a past era? Confusion about motive. The discrepancy between probe technologies could lead to speculation about whether the sender is deliberately testing Planet A's capabilities or withholding information. The civilization may become suspicious of the sender's true purpose, or worry that the advanced probe was meant to prepare them for something the older probes don't reveal. Impact on technological development, reverse engineering opportunities. Planet A might attempt to reverse engineer the technology of these probes, especially the first advanced one. The arrival of a highly sophisticated probe could give them technological insights that leapfrog their own development by centuries or millennia. Confusion in innovation. However, as they examine the older, less advanced probes, they may become confused about the technological trajectory of the sender. They could struggle to integrate the older technologies with the advanced concepts they've already extracted, potentially stalling or misdirecting their own innovations. Developmental missteps. They might even inadvertently take backward steps, adopting aspects of the less advanced probes into their own technologies, assuming that the older technology is part of a linear technological evolution rather than a reverse order of discovery. This could create confusion in their scientific understanding of how interstellar technology should evolve. Socio-political consequences, public and governmental reactions. The people of Planet A might experience social and political upheaval as the probes continue to arrive. The advanced technology of the first probe could cause global excitement or fear, leading to rapid technological militarization or a race to contact the senders. When later, less advanced probes arrive, this could result in confusion or a loss of confidence in the information initially gathered, possibly fueling conspiracy theories or governmental skepticism, perceived threats or opportunities. Politicians and scientists might debate whether the decline in technology signals a threat or an opportunity. Some factions might argue that the sender civilization is falling apart and poses no threat, while others might believe that the older probes are a distraction or part of a larger, more strategic plan to test the resilience of Planet A. Cultural and psychological impact, shift in understanding of the universe. This kind of interaction could radically change how the receiving civilization views the universe. The notion that a highly advanced civilization is sending out probes implies that there are intelligent species with the ability to travel or send technology across vast distances. Over time, the steady arrival of less advanced probes might lead Planet A to believe they are watching the decline of another civilization, or that they are receiving echoes from a long-dead species. Religious or philosophical shifts. The sudden appearance of extraterrestrial technology, especially if it arrives in reverse order, could lead to religious or philosophical changes as people try to reconcile the order of discovery with their existing worldviews. Some might see the advanced probe as a divine sign, while the older probes could be interpreted as warnings or tests of their faith. Conclusion: receiving probes in reverse technological order presents a unique challenge for the receiving civilization. Planet A might initially perceive the senders as vastly superior, but later grow confused as the less advanced probes arrive. This could lead to misconceptions about the sender's technological trajectory, misunderstandings about their intentions, and even potential missteps in adopting or reverse engineering the technology. The story of how a civilization would grapple with such a scenario offers a compelling narrative about how perception, timing, and technology shape our understanding of the universe.